Hello everybody, my name is Josh Williamson from KETO Gaming, and this is Lingleigh and Williamson from your gaming channel,
Mickey's Gaming.
And today we are doing our very first DIY. We're doing a father-daughter collaboration on our own YouTube channels, and maybe even merging into one channel. We have not decided that yet. So today, what we're going to be doing today is making
slime.
Okay, so if we're going to be making slime, first thing I think we need to let everybody know is
our ingredients.
The ingredients. Okay, what do we got? What are we working with here?
So you need a bowl and something to mix with.
So we need a red spoon, a red knife, and a plastic bowl.
And then you're going to need some Elmer's glue.
Does it have to be Elmer's?
Well, Elmer's glue works the best.
Yeah, as long as it's clear glue, right?
Or white glue.
Or white glue works good?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then some detergent. And then if you want, you could use some food coloring, some glitter, and some other craft stuff that you might want to put inside your slime.
So I don't really understand why we would put this stuff inside, but I guess we'll
like to put googly eyes and combos and stuff inside.
Inside?
Yeah, inside the slime. Oh, people find it to feel nice.
Okay. Alright, so what is the first step then?
You take your glue. You get the...
Hold on. I want to take the second right now. If you guys have not done, like and subscribe. Make sure you guys do that at the end of the video. You can watch the video first, but I need you guys to like and subscribe to this video. So, okay, so I'm going to pour this in.
Yeah.
Why do I get the very little bit of glue?
Because you just do.
How much should I put in? All?
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. For you can.
Alright, so here we go. Glub, glub. So, how long have you been making slime anyways? I see you every day, pretty much, but when did you first start making slime? 2 years ago?
2 years ago.
2 years ago?
It's easy. Put the lid back on once you're done.
Oh, I don't know if I'm done. It's still coming. Is that enough?
If you want it to be, yeah. There's really no exact measurements.
So there should be measurements. I don't understand this. Okay, alright, let's go.
Now you take your detergent.
Is that enough for 2?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
And you just add like a little bit.
That's it?
And that was a lot.
That was a lot?
That was a lot.
So what is this for? Can you tell me?
It's the activator.
It's the activator?
Yes. And then you mix it.
It's the chemical activator?
Yes.
Oh, shit. Oops. And then I mix it?
No profanity.
No profanity. On your channel.
So you can...
My channel, I can do that.
And then you mix it.
Mine's adult only.
And then...
Is it supposed to look like this?
Yes. And then you add more, and then you touch it. Yeah. You take some.
Is mine done now?
Now you gotta pick it up and get your hands dirty.
Okay, so now that we got it all mixed up, now we have to...
Pick it up.
Pick it up? Okay, I'm a little bit behind. Because I don't want to touch it, because I feel like it's going to be sticky.
That's good. And if it's too sticky, you take some detergent and just put it on to your slime. And just mix that in.
I think I need some more. Okay. Oh, that's a little better. Alright. So we're getting all the stickiness. I feel like I need to get more of my slime out of the bowl. I don't know. I feel like I'm playing with snot. Why don't they call this snot?
I don't know.
So, well, it is slimy. It's slimy snot. Oh, I should be... Watch your fingers. Okay, so... Okay. So,
your hands.
Okay. Is it supposed to be like this?
It's gotta be like this.
Like this?
No. Okay, add more detergent because it seems to be too sticky.
Okay, a little bit. So just dip my fingers in there?
That's what I do. It's easiest.
Okay.
But
do you kind of just work with it until it stops sticking to your fingers so much?
Yeah, because people like it like slimier, Some people don't really like it slimy, so.
But I don't think that you should ever want it to be like sticking
Yeah.
to your fingers, because then it's just going to get all over the place. It'll get all over your couch, and then you're going to yell at your kids to put your fingers into the frame. Okay, so am I good? Or I need to mix mine still more?
I think you should put a little, wait.
It's
Here.
No, I'm good.
No, you're good. Let me just feel your slime.
I have so much slime on my other parts. Look in there. Use that to make sure that you're always in frame.
Here, mix that all together.
Alright.
Ooh, glues.
I think I got it now. I think that's pretty good. Because I'm actually able to kind of clean up my fingers with the slime.
Yes.
Makes me...
Slime can be used as a cleaning device as well.
Yeah, well, it's got soap in it. You could probably bring it in the bathroom with you.
It picks up dirt.
And you could probably wash your butt with it.
No.
Okay, hold on.
If you eat it, you'll die.
There. Okay, so what would you say the next step is?
So if you want color, now's your time to put in the color.
Now's the time to put in the color. If you want color now, put it in now. If you want to sip some coffee now.
You could also put color in when you were putting it in with the glue. So, but
You can put color. Oh, you can put the color in with the glue.
yeah,
All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some red dye.
I was gonna do that.
So no, you can use different color.
Oh, thanks.
So I'm gonna use this red food coloring. And so should I put this back in the bowl first?
It's up to you. I like to use my hands.
Oh well, I already got some in there because I touched this.
I like to.
Oh, so I think I'm gonna do a drop like that. So now it looks like it's bleeding. And then I'm going to start mushing it like this. Oh, do you put it on the table?
I like to.
But what happens if you accidentally make the table all dirty?
Well, you just clean it. You let your dad clean it.
No, that doesn't sound right. And then you do this?
You mix it however. I don't think that's working very well.
No, that's weird.
Stop! You're gonna break it.
Oh, I just trying to figure out how to get the red in there good. Okay, so what? So what's happening now?
I'm making some more slime because I'm going to try to make galaxy.
Okay, so what is galaxy? You mean like...
So there's pretty much...
That's what your slime looks like, and this is what my slime... Can I see your slime? Okay, so... Different slimes. And this one is mine. Mine's kind of more firm. Oops.
Okay,
Mine is like more firm, and hers is just a tad stickier than mine is. And it's a little looser. It's loosey-goosey. It's loosey. Goosey. Loosey.
Do you find your slime too stiff?
No. Mine's perfect.
If it's too stiff...
Mine has
you
blue
just
in it
add
now, though.
Well, it's not my fault. That's your fault.
So, what's next? So you're making more slime.
Yes.
I'm not
Because
going to make more slime. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to glit mine.
you're going to put some glitter
Yes, I'm going to glit it.
with it.
Oh, great. How am I... Oh, because I touched it again. So what are you going to do with that?
Right.
You're going to add it into your blue?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to blue slime it. You're going to put more red slime into your blue slime.
And then I gotta make purple slime.
Okay, so if I'm going to have red, I need to have like a really light color. Yellow. Yellow is probably my lightest glitter.
Why do you want to put yellow in it?
Well, because I want to have contrast. So, if you want to do it properly, you kind of have to go with, if you're using like a dark color, you want to use a light color. Right? Oh, I went right by it.
I guess so.
I think so.
Here, just go. Wait, can I see?
What are you trying to see?
There you go. That's
Okay,
it.
that's a lot. But now I'm going to be careful with it because I don't want to get this all over me.
That would be the fun part.
No, I don't want to get in trouble. People
Yeah, I'll
think
call
that I
your
was.
mom.
People think I was out with a girl. And I got glitter all over me. Oh shit! I mean,
No profanity.
no profanity. Don't swear. This is a kids' TV show. Kids' TV show. All right, we're getting glit. Who's getting glit up? Glit up. Glit up. Glit up. Glit up. Glit up.
It turned orange. You put it in. Well, I'm putting it with the rest of the slime.
Okay, because you have one on the bottom, you have one in the middle, and then you're going to have one on the top. What is the purpose of that?
It's just combining them
You're just combining them?
to make them look
Oh,
like
Jesus.
galaxy.
Oh,
Oh
crap.
my gosh, what are you doing?
I'm making a mess. So, I'm actually going to make something too. While she's making her universe, galaxy, whatever the hell, I'm going to make my guy. Okay.
I don't know what he's doing.
So, this is something I learned in art school that I never went to.
Makes sense.
So, you go like that.
Where's the sparkles?
And then you take this guy and you put him like this.
Oh, my hands are
That.
slippery.
Then what you need to do is you got to get these guys here because you got to put one up there. Where's my other yellow one?
I need to wash my hands.
And then you need to put this over here like this. And then that comes together to make it look like that. Then you see these blue guys? They're really important because then I'm going to put them on like that. You get one here, and you get one here.
Oh my god.
Then I got some boobs.
That's what they're called.
Does he have glues? Did these come off?
I don't know.
Oh, I
You
think.
got me this.
Am I supposed to glue these? Maybe I have to glue it like this. See if I can get some glue out of here.
I can't turn this down.
Glue. Why is there no glue coming?
You broke it.
Because there's no. Let's try this one. This one is not. Whoops.
You're so kind.
How come you don't know how to get that out?
It went twist.
Okay. So, now please be careful with that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Alright. Now that I got my ugly eyes, then I'm going to stick it on here, like so.
Look at that taco.
Fuck. Well, I got to beat that out. And then we'll do this one. Ta-da! Zoom in on that puppy. Oh.
I win.
What is that?
Mine's better.
Look at that one. So nice.
Yeah, so
That
nice.
looks like some alien from a different planet. That's not from this planet. You know, microphone's over there and I'm talking to this camera over here. Alright, yeah, alright, let's see yours. Yours looks really cool. Okay, let me move mine out of the way.
Trying to do the poo test.
Okay, let me move this really cool design out of the way. Don't be hating. Oh shit.
No swearing.
You wouldn't hear that. Okay,
I heard that.
get that
That's all
out.
that counts.
Alright, put yours in there.
You broke it.
Well, people want to see it. Okay. Now present. What did you do?
I squashed it.
Okay. Say what it was again. One more time. What did you do?
I took blue slime, purple slime, and red slime. And then a second ago, it looked like galaxy. And then I mixed it all up, and now it's purple slime. And it's got sparkles in it. It needs more sparkles.
In mine, is transformed into a piece of sparkly poop with googly eyes and balls on it. So, there you go. And that's our video. So these are our presentation. We have the red slime with sparkles with googly eyes, some felt, what do they call these?
The pipe
cleaners, and some balls.
Do they clean pipes or something?
Yeah, they do. I never understood that one either.
But they're for
so,
crafts. No one
and you have
I think I got rid of
your what?
Oh, my galaxy slime that is now sticking to my hand.
Right. So, there we go. Thank you guys for watching this video. That is our very first DIY on making slime. We did it ourselves. And now it's on my head. If you guys like this video, leave a like. If you guys have not subscribed, subscribe right now. I want to see you guys in that comment section. You guys are going to see me in my next video. Take care, everybody. Love you all.
Peace.
Peace.